Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. We're still working on the old used oil burner. Today we're going to cut the access in for the door so we can get in to light it, and also the burn pot will have to be removed every once in a while to clean the ash out of it. You know, there will be some remnants of the burn and stuff left over, so let's start laying this thing out and see if we can't get a hole cut in it. Alright y'all, I already started laying this out. I've come 3 inches up off the bottom here, made a mark on each side, come up another 6 inches. That should give us plenty of room to get in there. I may come up another inch, I'm not sure. 6 inches should be fine. Burn pot's only 3, so I think 6 will be fine. The way I'm gonna make my lines is I've got the pieces left over from when I cut the top and the bottom. It's got that nice radius on there. I plan on just holding that up there and drawing my line across on both sides, top or up both sides, both top and bottom. But the tricky part's going to be getting the width right, how far across. But hey, I should be able to take care of that too. Not a big deal. We'll figure her out. You know we will. So let me do some drawing and some figuring here, and I'll get some stuff drawn on there. We'll bring you back when we get something figured out. Alright y'all, I think I got it laid out. There's the burn pot. You know, I think we'll have plenty of room to get that in and out. Should have about a ½ an inch on each side, roughly. Like I said, roughly, but took a little bit of figuring it out, but we got her. So I guess next thing is to get the torches out and start cutting. Thought about cutting it with the cutoff wheel, but that's some pretty hefty stuff. I think I can cut her fairly decent with the cutoff wheel. I may take the grinding wheel and score them lines so I don't lose them. But yeah, I guess we're gonna get to cutting. The only other question I have, I'm thinking about, is do I want to use this piece as the door, and we'll put a band of flat stock around it and put hinges and a latch on one side, or do I want to build it out flush, you know, square it off. 6 1/2 dozen the others. Less work doing it this way using this piece, but I don't know. I think I should think about it while I'm cutting it out, and we'll make the decision after we get the piece cut out, and we'll see how the hole looks and see what the piece looks like. So alright, I'm not gonna video cutting it out. You guys see me cutting the side hole there in the last video. It's just using the torch, so trying to keep the videos a little shorter than I usually do. So alright, I'm gonna get the torches out and get it cutting. Alright y'all, I got that hole cut. Kinda looks like Bucky Beaver gave me a hand doing it, but it is what it is. We can clean it up with a grinder, make her look pretty. It's just a used oil burner. Ain't nothing special, but there we go. I got that down in there. So I guess the next thing is to get that ground up. And I think I am gonna reuse that half moon there, just for ease. I'll grind the edges up kind of smooth, get them smoothed out there some, and then figure out a hinge and a latch, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit before I start grinding on it. But yeah, she's coming right along. So after I get this kind of ground up, cleaned up better, we'll bring you back and we'll work on some hinges and some latches. Alright y'all, got that all ground up for the most part. she really ain't straight after I got it ground up, but it is what it is. Like I said before, it's not just a used oil burner. We ain't making no pulling tractor, we ain't making no drag car, you know, nothing for SEMA. So just got to heat my shop, and I think it'll do her. So like I said, next thing I need to do is get some like 1-inch flat strap. I actually may make some. I got some steel at work. I can use the plasma cutter and I'll cut it out. But yeah, so it's getting late in the evening. I'm not going to run up there now and do it. I'll wait till one day after work and just cut it out real quick. Ain't no big deal. We'll get that done, get it welded in, and start making the hinges on the next one here. So probably be just a couple seconds for you guys, but might be a day or so for me. So hang out and we'll keep working on this. There you go. I was going to start cutting that banding to go around the edge of that door, and thought about it there. This is going to be a pressurized system, so I decided I probably should put a gasket around it. So I ran up to a few stores around here around town that sell it. The only thing they had was the round stuff, 1/2 inch thick. Didn't want anything quite that thick, so I come in here, went online, found what I needed. It's 5/8 inch wide, 1/8 inch thick, but it's flat, self-adhesive. Think it'll work out great, but I can't get it for about a week or thereabouts. So before I cut all that flat stock that I needed, I want that in hand. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to finish the door in this video. I was going to move on to the next step, building the drip system, but I really don't want to jump around a whole lot. Try to keep things flowing easily. So I'm going to put that in the next video. Probably finish the door and make the drip system in the next video. But I really apologize. I know y'all, following this are interested in it. So anyways, it is what it is. I've got it ordered. It's on its way. But I won't have it in time to be able to finish this video and get it edited and get it uploaded. So I figured something's better than nothing. Again, sorry, but I hope you all enjoy this series. I'm enjoying building it. I'm enjoying bringing it to you, and hopefully we'll see you all on the next one where we'll finish the door, and then we'll start on the drip feed system. So thank you all for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll catch you all on the next one. So bye.